Hello, welcome back to Learning with Ms. H. Today I'm going to show you a really cool trick to go ahead and remove backgrounds from images. In forensics class especially, there's going to be some projects where you'll need to insert images of pieces of evidence onto a background slide in a presentation. And you're going to want to be able to see through it and not have a bunch of background stuff covering up the slide that you're trying to put it on. So in order to remove the background, I've got a link here for you in this hint for this Unit 1 recap assignment. I'll also put this on the resources page for you so that you can access it again fairly easily in the future if you need to. But for this first recap assignment, it's right here for easy access. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link where it says hint. You can use this website to remove backgrounds. Go ahead and click the link, open up the website. So when you're on this page, there's a couple ways you can do this. If you have the image on your computer, I will show you that in a second. If you want to get it from a website though, you can come right down here where it says paste image or URL and click on URL and it opens up this pop-up box. So let's go get an image. Let's get this image of blood spatter. I'm going to copy the image address. Come back over here, click URL, and then I'm going to paste the image address in, and it's going to pull it in and automatically remove the background for me. So now I have the blood spatter without the background. I'm going to copy this image. You can also download it to your computer here. If you want to use this more than once, you will want to download it and then upload it into your Google Drive. Once you've done that, go ahead and come back in here, paste it in, and you have the image without the background. If you want to see how to do it from your hard drive, keep watching and I will put that in next. So here we are back on the main page to remove backgrounds. If you've already done one, just go ahead and click the X button and it'll put you back here. So we're going to take a look at what to do when you are on this page to get a picture from your hard drive. Then you're going to go to the image that you want to remove the background for, and then just drag and drop it in, and it's going to automatically remove the background for you there. So I've got no background behind us here, and now I can download this image to my computer, and it will save it for me on my computer. Once you've done that, you will want to go ahead and upload that image to your Google Drive so that you have it in there, and then drag and drop it from there or insert it from there into your slideshow presentation. That way you can delete it off of the hard drive of your computer. If you have too many items saved on your hard drive, it is going to clog up the drive and cause it to either work very slowly or possibly freeze up and not work at all. So don't leave these images on your hard drive when you're done with them. Just save them in your Google Drive, that way you have them for future projects. Hopefully this helps. I will see you guys next time.